back to today's video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola and I create all kinds of pink videos. If that's something you love and are into, make sure to click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram, FABIOLAGOFFICIal. So for today, I am very excited. I'm actually doing a collaboration with my friend Brittany Devella from Devella Bougie on YouTube. I'm going to leave her YouTube channel and Instagram down below so you can follow her, subscribe to her, and watch her video. So we decided to do a what's in my bag video for the fall, and yes, I'm that kind of a girl that likes to change my handbag in every season, or maybe more than that. But I'm very excited because I get to show you what's in my bag, what I have currently, and I just recently updated my bag and changed everything from my summer bag, which technically we're still in summer, but I'm just so excited for the fall. So I switched up a few things and I thought today would be the perfect day to film. So I am very excited. I will leave you Brittany's video down below. Thank you so much, girly, for doing this collab with me. I love your channel. If you guys have not watched her YouTube channel, you need to head down over. She does all kinds of pink, girly, fashion, get readies with me. Literally super girly. She's gorgeous. She's such a sweet person and very down to earth. So make sure to follow her. And let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So this is my fall handbag that I will be using for the entire fall, and I just recently finished switching everything from my other handbag into this one. So this is my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 Damier Azur. Such a long name. I got this a couple years ago and I love her so much. She's beautiful. She is a little more like on the older side, so the handles do have like the patina color, like the honey patina, and I recently got this like a year ago. It's so pretty. It's also Louis Vuitton, and this is literally like the perfect size for me. They do come in different sizes. I think they come in a size 30 and 35. I think that's it. So this is the size 25. Oh, I take that back. They also have a size 20 now. But the 25 for me is perfect. It's small, but it's pretty big that I can store everything that I need, and I love her so much. I do have an organizer, and I highly recommend an organizer if you either have the Speedy or the Neverfull. It's so handy and it literally will save you a headache and trying to find your things. I did get the organizer online and I'll link it down below, but it is a pink felt organizer and I highly recommend it. So let me show you what I have inside my handbag. Here is a close-up of my purse so you can see it. It is, like I said, the Speedy 25, and I absolutely adore this handbag so much. In the inside, I do have the purse organizer and it is totally packed. I'm so glad I have that organizer. It just keeps everything so nice and like organized inside. So I always make sure to carry my mini iPad, and I got this case off of Shein. I'll link it down below, but it's such an adorable case. Like, I am obsessed. So pretty and pink, and as you can see, if it's perfect in this handbag, you can probably even fit like a full-size iPad. Next thing I have are, of course, my keys. So the person that makes these uses recycled Louis Vuitton canvas to make watch bands, and they also make keychains. I've had this for a couple years and it is gorgeous. You can also choose the lining on the inside. So of course I got the pink one, but I do get a lot of questions about this. I also have this new product that I recently got at Sephora. It is the Touchland Power Mist. It's a hydrating hand sanitizer. It smells incredible. I've only used it a couple times, but so far I can definitely tell you that it is so moisturizing, and I always tend to get really dry hands. So I'm really excited with this one, and it's pink. It's so pretty. I always make sure to carry a lip balm, but this one here has got to be my favorite one because number one, it's a lip balm, but it also has a hint of color. It's Rosy Lips, and it's just a very subtle color, but it's just enough to give you that rosy look. I also carry my cell phone, and I got this gorgeous case off of Shein. Isn't it so pretty? It's adorable. I'll try to link it down below. I actually got a couple of cases, but this is one of my favorite ones. It's clear, see-through, and it has little pink bows. And then the front has a picture of me and my hubby from our wedding. Next thing I have in here is my little wallet, and I love this wallet so much. It's tiny, it's compact, you can carry like a bunch of cards in here. It's like a little accordion. Such an adorable little wallet. I got this a couple years ago from Victoria's Secret, and it's such a pretty pink. It's like the perfect shade. I also carry my AirPod case. I've had this for a few years. I got it off in Instagram seller. I don't really remember what the name was, but it's so pretty. It's inspired, and it just keeps your AirPods nice and safe and stored. You can also hang it on your keys, but I prefer just to keep it in my purse because I always tend to lose things. Of course, I have to carry my hand cream. This one is the Chanel hand cream. I've literally bought this over and over the past few years. It's got to be one of my favorite hand creams. It smells incredible, just like the Coco Chanel perfume, and it's so cute. Always make sure to carry this in my purse. I have a mirror because, you know, us girls, we need mirrors. We need mirrors everywhere. And this one here is a very small, compact one. I got this off the Chanel website. I think I got this like last summer, but it's in that perfect shade of pink. Also, I have my favorite lipstick. This one here is the Charlotte Tilbury, and this one is in the shade Pillow Talk number 2. I also love the number 1, but I think the number 2 just complements my skin tone, and it's this beautiful, beautiful shade. It's like a pink color, but it has a little bit of brown to it. Isn't it just such a pretty color? I also like to carry perfumes, and I like to use this one here. It's like a roller. I got this from the Victoria's Secret sale. It's in Love, and it smells so good. It's just nice and easy, just like a roller, and you can apply that. And then I also have a body spray. This body spray is my favorite. It is the Sol de Janeiro. This is actually a new one, but I love this brand so much, and it smells so good. If you love sweet scents, definitely try this one out. It smells incredible. It smells so good. Highly, highly recommend this scent. I'll link it down below as well. And by the way, you can only find this at Ulta. This is not sold at Sephora. And last but not least, I have my eyeglasses. I do use contacts, and I always make sure to carry these for emergencies. And my sunglasses, these are from the website Sojo's. They're very affordable, and they look so luxurious. I love these. Every time I wear them, I get compliments, and they don't believe that they're like so affordable. So I'll link them down below as well. Now that everything is out, I can finally show you the purse organizer. It's felt, it's pink, and it has like zipper in here. I will link it down below, and like I said, you can use this for the Speedy or the Neverfulls. So that was everything that I have inside my handbag for the fall. Go ahead and watch Brittany's video to see what handbag she is using and what's inside her bag. I love watching these kind of videos. I'm just like super curious to see what other girls carry in their handbags, what handbags they're using, and it's just like so much fun. I can't wait to go watch your video, Brittany, and check it out. I love you guys all so much, and Brittany, thanks so much again for doing this collab with me. I hope you all have an incredible rest of your night, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.